up, guys? Today we are going to do a simple little refill on the differential of a 2002 Toyota Sequoia rear-wheel drive SR5. We've been having problems, since I was a kid, problems with this truck and the axle, and it would go low all the time. There's like a leak somewhere in the axle, and so we had to keep a close eye with it. We went to Toyota dealership not too long ago, maybe last week I think, and they were telling us that it was really low. So that was us to say, hey, we need to refill it. But yeah, it's just gonna be a quick easy little thing. That's why I wanted to film it for you guys, something that you can keep with you, and something that you can share with others. So stay tuned to that. Hey guys, I just got back in from going out to get my parts that I need. I have everything except the sealer, the stop leak. I couldn't find it anywhere. If you guys know, leave a comment down below. I looked everywhere, asked around at AutoZone, Advanced, Napa. Looked over at Napa, talked to a couple of shops around here. That's something that's kind of like not really easy to find. It's a differential oil with a stop leak in it. I know it's out there, but it's just down here where I'm at, I couldn't find any. So that being said, that's the only thing I'm missing. Everything else I do have. This picture right here, it's a 24mm socket you need to change, to take off the bolt off the back of the axle. You need a breaker bar and oil. And also keep in mind, since you don't have a little level or anything to measure how much you're putting in there, I'm gonna use a small makeshift little stick. It's supposed to bend in there so I can see how much I'm pouring in there. You should have like an inch marked on that measuring tool, whatever you're gonna use. That'll be your baseline mark of you're full or getting close to being full. So I'm gonna get to it right now. Alright guys, so this is the bolt off the back of your axle of your 2002 Toyota Sequoia. Hand loosen it. Don't put any power tools to it at all. I've seen plenty of these be stripped and destroyed because the material this is made out of is very soft metal. I think it's aluminum. Yeah, a power tool would just destroy it in seconds, even when just loosening. You have a washer on it. Make sure you keep that washer on there at all times. Do not lose that. I'll be right back with my oil. Now that differential is full, tighten with your hand, because again, this metal that this nut is made out of is very soft and it could easily strip, and then you have to go spend a whole bunch of money to get the bolt removed when you could have just easily tightened it with your hand. And of course, you know, tighten up just a little bit with the breaker bar, but not even a ugga dugga, just like a ugga, and that's it. That was a ugga. There it is. You know, no ugga dugga with this. But yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. When it's needing more fluid, it takes no more than 30 minutes to do all of this. Just have to make sure your car is parked on a level surface. Once you do that, you're pretty much straight after that. Just unbolt it, do what you need to do, fill it back up, you're good to go. Hey y'all, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell button for any notifications or updates for any new videos coming out. Have a great one.